Are you ready to discover the latest features of Proxmox Virtual Environment 7.4? I have already updated it. Let me log in it first and I'll show you. First of all, we'll go here into shell and PVE version. PVE manager is 7.4.3 and it's running on kernel 5.15. So if I check PVE version verbose. So it will give me all the details and you can see here PV kernel is 7.4 and PV manager is 7.4.3. LXC container, LXC PVE is 5.02. QEMU server is 7.4.3. So you can also go here into summary and check for the package version. So you will get all the list of packages which are already available and installed here. SFUs, which is 15.2. QEMU server is 7.4.3. So these are all the latest packages which are available. So for those who prefer to read in the low light with less eye strain, Proxmox VE 7.4 brings a fully integrated Proxmox dark theme variant. You can switch between the light theme and dark theme mode by switching the options from here. Even the community forum now has the dark theme model as well. Installation is very simple. I was using 7.2 and it was very easy to update the version. So you can simply go here into the update, and in updates, you will simply refresh it. If there is any updates available, so you will see it here. It will run the same command, which is apt-get update. You can also use the command from the shell also by typing in the apt-get update. And if updates are available, then you can simply type apt-get and upgrade. It will upgrade to the latest version. I upgraded to latest version. It took me 8 minutes to update. You can simply reboot the operating system. Once it is rebooted, you will see that the dark theme will be already enabled. And on top right, you can see here that virtual environment 7.4.3 is available. So in case if you want to download it directly, you can download it from Proxmox website. Here in the home page, you can see here the new Proxmox 7.4 VE is available, which is latest version. You can simply click here on virtualization and download. Once you click on download, you'll get all the download options. So we'll go for the Proxmox virtual environment, and here are the ISO images, and you will download the latest image. So I have given you full tutorial for which I have given you the link in the description also. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to join the channel if you really want to support this channel. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.